Hey everyone, I have another quick tip for you. I'm working on my website, and when I go to load it, there were some pages that weren't working properly. So, the best thing to do in this case is while you're working on your website, put the main page under maintenance just for now. So, basically, what I did was I just went over to add an element, add a text, put that in here. All right, so in order for this to happen, you have to have one page live. Okay, so you're going to go over to your page navigation. All of these were up here. So you just drag them. And then I only want my home page being shown, so I'm going to drag it down here. So it says drop it. Okay, so you put all of them down here, hidden from navigation. And then once that's done, you're going to want to make sure that you save. All right. And then the other thing you're going to need to do is go over to your mobile view because it won't have it automatically. You're going to want to also make sure that there's an under maintenance or something here. And it looks like it's fine. It's just that the first time I did it, it did not show me that. So I just wanted to make sure you saw that. And then, of course, when you go to preview now, you're going to see that there's no menu. Okay, but it does show my main website, and then it says under maintenance. So it's just a quick tutorial only because I tried to do this on my own just by their tutorial, like their help in tutorials there, their help page, and I found it actually not easy. So what I did was between the chat and myself, I eventually found out they actually have it under, I think it's create a landing page, and then it'll go into hidden. But yeah, I just want to show you that because it'll save you guys time, and you can see how easy it was and how quick it was. And that's it. And then once you're done, of course, when you're done editing, so you go back to, let's just say your laptop, you're done editing, so you go to your pages, you fix them around, then you're just going to want to go to go live. All right. So that's as easy as that. Please like, subscribe if you haven't, notification bell to be notified. That helps me a lot, guys. These are just quick tips, but I'm hoping that they help you because it took me a bit of time to get this figured out. Every time I come up with these things that are not easily explained, I'll do a video like this, and then that way there you can just quickly come to my channel and see how quick it is. Okay? All right, hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day, and thank you very much for coming to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.